Welcome to Little House in Southwoods. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy, thick, delicious, chocolatey peanut butter bars. Start by combining 1 3/4 cups of flour and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a small bowl. Beat together 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1/2 cup of butter. Beat together until creamy. Mix in 1 egg, gradually beat in the flour mixture a little at a time. Stir in 1 cup of chocolate chips, pour it into an ungreased 13 by 9 inch pan. Press it down lightly to even it out. Sprinkle with the remaining chocolate chips. Press down lightly. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Let them cool and cut them into bars. It makes 3 dozen bars. Enjoy!